Welcome, this is Zangler, the Tesla Semi's advocate, bringing you today's video for December 5th, 2024. I've switched to a Monday, Thursday cadence, and there's a lot of very interesting stuff going on today. Here we start out with the normal northwest corner, section A. If you don't know, section B, they count the sections counterclockwise, or actually clockwise, starting with this section. So section B would be the one at the top of the screen, C, then you go over, and that would be on the east side, and then you go to the southeast, that's D, E is the south middle, and F is the south west. And then G is the new one that we're going to see a lot of, we're going to be talking about a lot today. So here's a nice little perspective with the background of Giga Semi. And in a minute, you can just see Legacy Giga Nevada coming into view. This is some interesting stuff going on right here. This is that deep foundation that they've dug. I think the unanimous consensus, this is for stamping of the body panels and doors for the Semi, and they're going to have to stamp enough for 50,000 a year. And let's just take a look at this. Just fascinating to me how this was engineered and the interesting shapes that we're about to see. You can see workers building forms, and you can notice that some of that concrete that's been poured, and I think I can't wait to hear readers' input who are more knowledgeable about this, but there's not it's sort of a rough pour. There's no sides, it's no rebar, it's just sort of a bottom, trying to give it a clean bottom, but without putting a whole lot of work into it. And again, look forward to hearing from our viewers what the explanation is for that, or what the possible and probable explanation is. There are many, many more workers on site in the last several weeks than there had been when the building was being initially assembled. You can see they've built a ramp so that the cement delivery trucks can come down, and I'm sure they're using a pumper to move the cement from the trucks to the locations where they need it. It's kind of a slurry, I guess, a rough slurry they're putting on. We know that these wings from previous footings are mostly just for access, and they've actually dug stairs and put up handrails. So section G is well underway, and it'll probably be maybe the end of January, and this whole section, it's taller and more interesting in many ways, will be complete. You see the Tesla Semi pulling overwatch duty over the entire construction, and there is, here's a different pit right next to it, right next to the one we were talking about, and again, different than what we've seen before. There's the Tesla Semi doing overwatch duty, and I didn't have enough time or space to include a little interesting observation about this Tesla Semi. I'll have another video up soon that focuses entirely on the Tesla Semi and the surprise that Tesla has in store for us. It's pretty funny. You may have seen a glimpse of it right there. And here it is, the Semi. And now we're going to proceed over the site, over the building. And I'm coming back to replace the batteries. But as I get to my takeoff location for the drone, I see something that makes me reverse the drone and go and pick up some video, and you'll see why in a minute. Very serendipitous timing on this afternoon. I started the drone flight about 1:30. So anyway, I'm about to come back to the drone takeoff location, and to the world's fastest drone support vehicle, my Tesla Model S Plaid. And then I noticed something, so I'm flying over here to see that there is some deliveries into the giant door, and you can see there's a dragon in there, which explains why Tesla has always been so secretive. They've got a dragon inside that door. And all kidding aside, they are bringing in equipment. I get as close as I can. All I can tell is that first thing is 1 of 2, and the second box is 2 of 2. As I drove up, another one of these sets was delivered. We see that the Dragon is actually a forklift, and let's, we can do like Joe has done in Giga, Texas, and just try to figure out, later try to do some blow-ups of this and see if we can figure out what these are, because it will inform us as to what this building, Section A, what this section of the Giga Semi factory is going to be used for. This is a different angle. I thought it was interesting. And the entire metal roof is virtually complete. And then here's a little flight back to this time I actually do return to to my Model S Plaid, and there's something here in the windshield that I didn't realize I had left up there that I thought I would share. Thanks a lot, and see you next time. Come back for the Tesla Semi reveal.